I've got a Scotts EvenGreen Drop Spreader here. I'm going to show you how to fit a new spring. Now, we recommend you to wear gloves and goggles when doing this to avoid injury, because it can be a bit tricky. Using a pair of pliers, gently prise open the circle ends of the spring just enough to slip around the shaft of the rivet on the black shutoff bar underneath the spreader. Take the hook end and pull it up to the rivet on the hopper. You can loop a thin cord around the hook end and pull it up to assist you if needed. To check the calibration, do the following. Adjust rate control to number 6. Turn the spreader upside down. Place a foot on the on-off control lever against the handle to keep the shutoff bar open. The front edge of the shutoff bar should be aligned with the engraved line across one tooth of the hopper base. Adjust the alignment with the line using the small black screw thread at the lower end of the control cable. Tighten the cable until the wire is taut and the edge of the shutoff bar is aligned with the engraved line. Release the trigger. That's it, the spring's been fitted and you're ready to go.